Welcome to AI Animated World. In this chapter, we will dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we will lay the foundation of understanding AI by exploring its definition, key concepts, and its potential impact on society. Join me as we embark on this journey to unravel the mysteries of AI. What is artificial intelligence? Introduction. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines or computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI systems are designed to analyze and interpret data, make decisions, solve problems, and learn from experience or patterns in the data. AI can be broadly categorized into two types: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks and is limited to the domain it has been trained for. Examples of narrow AI include voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, recommendation systems, and image recognition software. On the other hand, general AI, also known as strong AI or artificial general intelligence, AGI, refers to AI systems that possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks and domains, similar to human intelligence. General AI aims to replicate human-like intelligence and reasoning capabilities. AI techniques include machine learning, where algorithms are trained on large amounts of data to make predictions or decisions, natural language processing, NLP, for understanding and processing human language, computer vision for analyzing and interpreting visual data, and robotics for creating physical systems that interact with their environment. AI has numerous applications across various industries, including healthcare, finance, transportation, education, and entertainment. It has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of human life, improve efficiency, and solve complex problems. However, ethical considerations, privacy concerns, and the impact on jobs and society are important factors to be considered in the development and deployment of AI systems. History and evolution of AI. The history and evolution of artificial intelligence, AI, can be traced back to ancient times, but the modern development of AI as a field of study began in the mid-20th century. Here is a brief overview of key milestones in the history of AI. Dartmouth Conference, 1956. The term artificial intelligence was coined during this conference, which brought together researchers interested in creating machines that could mimic human intelligence. Early AI research, 1950s-1960s. Early AI research focused on developing symbolic or rule-based systems. Researchers attempted to create programs that could solve problems using logic and rules. Notable projects during this time include the logic theorist, general problem solver, and ELIZA, a natural language processing program. Knowledge-based systems, 1970s-1980s. AI researchers shifted their focus to building knowledge-based systems. These systems utilized expert knowledge and rules to solve specific problems. The Mycin system for diagnosing bacterial infections and the DENDRAL system for analyzing chemical compounds were notable examples. Rise of machine learning, 1980s-1990s. Machine learning gained prominence as a subfield of AI. Researchers explored algorithms that allowed computers to learn from data and make predictions without explicitly programmed rules. The backpropagation algorithm for training neural networks and the development of decision tree algorithms were important advancements during this period. Expert systems and AI winter, 1980s to 1990s. Expert systems, which utilized expert knowledge to solve complex problems, gained popularity. However, high expectations and overhyped claims about AI led to a period known as the AI winter, characterized by waning interest and reduced funding for AI research. Emergence of big data and neural networks, 2000s. The proliferation of the internet and the availability of large datasets provided new opportunities for AI. Neural networks, particularly deep learning architectures, became popular due to their ability to effectively learn from massive amounts of data. This led to breakthroughs in areas such as image and speech recognition. AI resurgence and advancements, 2010s-2020s. The past decade witnessed a resurgence of AI driven by advancements in computing power, availability of big data, and breakthroughs in deep learning. AI applications such as autonomous vehicles, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems gained widespread adoption. Major AI milestones include IBM's Watson winning the game show Jeopardy, the development of self-driving cars by companies like Tesla and Waymo, and the emergence of AI-powered chatbots and personal assistants. It's important to note that AI is a rapidly evolving field, and ongoing research and development continue to push the boundaries of what is possible. As AI technologies progress, there are ongoing discussions and debates regarding ethics, bias, transparency, and the societal impact of AI systems. Types of AI systems. There are different types of AI systems based on their capabilities and functionalities. Here are some of the main types. Reactive machines. Reactive AI systems are the simplest form of AI and do not have memory or the ability to learn from past experiences. They operate solely based on current data inputs and predefined rules. They are designed to react to specific situations and provide appropriate responses. Chess-playing AI programs are a classic example of reactive machines that make decisions based on the current board state without considering past moves. Limited memory. AI systems with limited memory have the ability to retain and utilize past information to enhance their decision-making capabilities. They can learn from previous data and experiences to make better predictions or take actions. Self-driving cars often employ limited memory AI systems to analyze real-time sensor data while also incorporating information from past driving experiences. Theory of mind. Theory of mind AI systems aim to understand and attribute mental states to others, including beliefs, desires, intentions, and emotions. These systems can interpret human behavior, predict actions, and respond accordingly. Theory of mind AI is still a developing area, and current applications are limited to specific contexts, such as virtual agents or social robots that interact with humans. Self-aware AI. Self-aware AI, also referred to as artificial general intelligence, AGI, represents AI systems that possess human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks. These systems are self-aware, conscious, and capable of reasoning, learning, and adapting in various domains. Self-aware AI remains largely hypothetical, and achieving AGI is an ongoing area of research and development. Narrow AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, refers to AI systems designed for specific tasks or domains. These systems excel at performing well-defined tasks but lack general intelligence. Examples of narrow AI include voice assistants, image recognition systems, recommendation algorithms, and chatbots. Narrow AI has achieved significant advancements and finds widespread applications in various industries. Artificial superintelligence. Artificial superintelligence refers to AI systems that surpass human intelligence in virtually every aspect. It represents a theoretical level of AI that surpasses human cognitive abilities and has vast knowledge and problem-solving capabilities. Artificial superintelligence is a topic of speculation and discussion in the realm of AI ethics and the potential future of AI. It's important to note that these types are not mutually exclusive, and AI systems can exhibit characteristics from multiple types depending on their design and purpose. The field of AI encompasses a wide range of technologies and approaches, and researchers continue to explore new possibilities and refine existing AI systems. Conclusion. In this chapter, we have explored the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. We defined AI, traced its historical development, discussed key concepts within the field, and examined its impact on society. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and improve our lives, but it also brings ethical considerations that must be addressed. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where we will delve deeper into the exciting world of AI. If you found this video informative, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for joining me on this journey of understanding artificial intelligence.